Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete account from Temu. So let's get right into it. First of all guys, we have to go on our account. Just simply we have to scroll down over here. Now click on account security. Here we have to scroll down and click on delete your Temu account. Just mark up this option and click on continue. Here we have to mark up the option. I have selected this one and now I am going to hit on continue. Once you hit on continue, then this type of window will be open on your screen. Here we have to hit on delete. Select your right one, hit on continue. Once you've done with all these steps, then your account will be deleted in 7 days. Hit on confirm. And that's it guys, how to delete account from Temu. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.